Let's make the easiest apple strudel that will impress everyone. Cut the apples into thin slices and cook them in a pan with the brown sugar, cinnamon, and 15 grams of butter. Caramelize until all the liquid has evaporated. Once the apples are cooked, let the mixture cool in the pan. Add the walnuts and raisins, then stir to combine. That's the first part of our filling. Now let's prepare the cream. In a small saucepan over medium heat, add 500 milliliters of milk, 1 egg yolk, 35 grams of corn flour, 1 shot of liquid stevia, or 50 grams of sugar as an alternative, and a splash of vanilla extract. Stir constantly until it thickens into a smooth, creamy custard. The cream for our strudel is perfect. The aroma is irresistible. I could eat it just as it is. Place the sheet of ready-made puff pastry on its parchment paper and mark a line lengthwise where you'll add the filling. First, spread the cream along the marked line, then spoon the apple, walnut, and raisin mixture on top. Use a knife to cut slits on the sides as I'm showing you to create nice strips and start folding the strudel. No special technique needed. It's super easy. I don't have one either. Fold the corners inward, then cross the strips over each other until the whole strudel is sealed. Super easy! After wrapping the strudel, mix 2 tablespoons of milk with 1 egg yolk in a small bowl. Brush it over the entire surface for a beautiful golden color. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, for 25 to 30 minutes, depending on your oven. Perfectly baked with a beautiful golden color. Garnish with whatever you like. I'm going with classic powdered sugar and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Super easy, beautiful, and absolutely delicious. Honestly, everyone who tries it will go crazy for it.